passenger, me again, your conductor, One. Back after a long hiatus of not being the conductor, which was fun.
But confusing.
We continue our tour of the train in the Tiny Wizard car. I almost died in here once, so it's important to use your 6-inch voice. A fun thing about this car is their unusual form of communication.
Spells.
Uh-oh. Trouble in paradise. Spells! Spells.
Time to run!